Good morning, Elasmere boys. Today we will start the last section of the chapter Geographical Grid, which is related to another type of sums, finding a longitude of a place on Earth. We have to find the longitude of a place. Till now, till the last video, we have found out the local time of a particular place. But today we will talk about finding the longitude of a place on Earth. As I said before, there are some key points that I need to remember while doing this sums. Let's look at the key points. The number 1 point, the time difference for 4 minutes is equivalent to 1 degree movement of longitude. So this is the opposite way of writing because we are going to do the longitude sum. So I can say basically when we are talking about 4 minutes time difference, actually we are crossing 1 degree longitude. If the location time, second point, if the location time is ahead, which longitude need to be find out, it is situated east side. As we know that whatever the places are situated in east side or in eastern hemisphere, basically their times are ahead from the locations of western hemisphere. Supposedly if I am currently situating at Delhi, then the longitude of Japan will be more eastward and the time also going to be ahead of mine. Similarly, the longitude of New York will be west side or as western hemisphere and the time will be behind. So if the third point, if the location time is behind of the longitude you need to be find out, then maybe the place is situated in more west side than the particular location that has been pointed out. We have to calculate the time difference between two places very nicely because we have to check whether we are talking about AM or PM. Sometime from AM to PM we have to find the large time difference. Let's look at some examples and let's solve them. I have picked up the examples that are present in your textbook. As the question says, a radio news report broadcast from Tokyo 140° east at 5 p.m. on Friday was received by a ship 7 p.m. the same day. Find out the longitude of the ship. So as you can see, as I have already written some key points, you can get to see what are the things that the Tokyo is present at 140° east and at that time the Tokyo's timing is 5 p.m. Sunday. Please, these points are very important, okay, that when it is actually getting received, okay. See, as per the question, I think it is said that it is on Friday, right? Tokyo on Friday. So I think in your book it is okay, no. Let me read it out. A read news broadcast from Tokyo at 5 p.m. on Friday was yes. So it is going to be the Friday. So this part is going to be Friday. Please make that change. It is going to be Friday. So the ship which is receiving it is receiving at 7 p.m. on the same day. So it means 7 p.m. means the time of the ship is much more ahead than the time of Tokyo. That points out that if Tokyo is present in 140° east, time ahead means that ship is also present much more eastern side to it, as the time of it is already ahead. Okay, so whatever the longitude we will get, it will be greater than 140° east. So as we know that one has received it at 5 p.m. and another location has received it at 7 p.m. So difference is of 2 hours pointing to 120 minutes. Now 4 minutes time difference we are getting through 1 degree longitude. So 120 minutes time difference we will get by 120 divided by 4, which is 30 degree. So the local time as the ship is ahead, so it will be more 30 degree ahead to the point of Tokyo. So more 30 degree ahead from the point of Tokyo, which means 140 plus 30 pointing to 170 degree. Let's look to the next part of the question or next question. A ship chronometer shows Greenwich Mean Time at 14:30 hours. So there are some points as we mentioned. One is Greenwich. We know that we are considering it as 0 degree and the time at that time is 14:30. Okay. When the local time is 12 noon at a ship, so again in a ship whose longitude we need to find out is receiving at 12 noon. So here the timing is backward. Okay. Here the timing is backward. So it means the Greenwich is in the more eastern side and that place is in more western side. Okay. As the time is backward. So let's see what is the time difference. 14:30 minus 12 hours, which is 2 hours 30 minutes, approximately pointing as 150 minutes. So the time difference we will get as 150 divided by 4, which is 37 degree 30 minute. As it is, the time is lagging behind. So from 0 degree we are moving more westwards. How much? 37 degree and more 30 minute. So I can say the longitude is going to be 37 degree 30 minute of west. Let's see the last question. A team of scientists exploring minerals set up camp in Siberia. A radio broadcast at 8 hours from Moscow was heard at the campsite 14:30 hours. The longitude of Moscow is 37:30 degree east. Find out the longitude of the campsite Siberia. So as per the question I said, it was broadcasted by 8 hours, is being received by 14:30. So automatically the location we can say is more situating eastward than Moscow because the time is ahead. Okay, the time is ahead. So let's look at the solve part. The time difference between 14:30 and 8 hours is coming to 390 minutes. Okay. So as it coming to the 390 minutes, we understand as the time is difference, time is ahead in that location. So the longitude will be more in the campsite, more than 37 degree 30 minutes. So how I can get it? 390 divided by 4, I got 97 degree 30 minute. So I will add up 37 degree 30 minute along with that 97 degree and 30 minute. Please remember this, these two 30 minutes will actually going to give you the point of 1 degree. Okay. So 1 degree is going to be added with this, whatever the value we will get. So 7, 7, 14 and 9 3s are 12 and 13. So 134 degree plus 1 degree that has come from the minute, which will give me the answer as 135 degree more eastward because the timing of the campsite is ahead of the timing of Moscow. The time is actually ahead of the time of Moscow. So it is situating in more eastward side. Okay boys. So that's all for the today. Thank you and stay safe. Please practice all these programs and in case of you have any doubt, please refer to me.